ABB believes that the future of shipping will be electric, digital and connected. ABB solutions are paving the way to a zero-emission marine industry, providing greater efficiency and reliability to ship owners, and helping vessels meet the demands of today and tomorrow. Palemia Field, ABB's global segment manager for ferries, discusses the trends shaping the maritime industry and the technologies required to achieve global sustainability goals.
With the requirement to reduce emissions before 2050, and that includes the international routes, we're going to see a change in the way that ships are designed and how they're operated. More electrical solutions, more digital solutions, more connected solutions across the entire range of the vessels. Ferry, which is the International Ferry Organization, they estimate that the ferry business carries 2 billion passengers on an annual basis. And I think a lot of people woefully underestimate just how important this business is to the world infrastructure. Those sociological trends in terms of these ferries, they come into downtowns, they come into where people live and work. Being able to operate with zero emissions is no longer an abstract, macro goal. The Maritime Battery Forum has counted there's 130 battery ferries in operation today. On top of that, we've got 90 more on order. We've done a study on this and we can prove that an owner can save up to $800,000 over the lifetime of that vessel. ABB believes the future of vessels are electric, digital and connected. Digital technologies are out there in terms of the power and energy management system, looking at 800XA deployment and looking at automation that's designed for people to use. We believe that this requirement to cut ship emissions that's been decreed by the IMO by 50% by 2050 is an achievable goal. One of the key products we have is the Azipod propulsion system. This is a system that's able to increase the ship's efficiency by 20%. We now have over 1,000 vessels connected to our collaborative operations centres globally. Also, we can forecast when we have to have a service intervention in the port and at the time of convenience for the owner. Electrification is key. It doesn't matter if we're talking about LNG vessels or liquefied natural gas vessels as the prime mover, diesel engines, fuel cells, solar in some cases. It's about collecting that energy, converting it to electricity and distributing or storing in an electrical form.
As a front runner of hybrid and zero emissions for ferries, ABB can help optimize energy consumption on board your vessel and reduce or eliminate emissions in order to stay compliant and protect your environment. Let's drive the sustainable future of ship operations together.